Hello everyone, welcome to Glowing Stars Bharat. Hello everyone, I am Abhishek from Glowing Stars Bharat. Friends, today we are going to talk about chemistry. In this video, we will discuss chemistry and some usage of chemistry and types of chemistry. So let's begin the video. First question is, what is chemistry? Friends, chemistry is the study of the substance, especially their structure, properties, transformation and the energy changes accompanying this transformation, or the branch of science that deal with the identification of the substances of which matter is composed, the investigation of their properties and the way in which they interact, combine and change, and the usage of these processes to form new substance is chemistry. So, dear friends, some usage of chemistry. Everything is made of chemicals. Many of the changes we observe in the world around, we see that caused by chemical reaction. Chemistry is very important because it helps us to know the composition, structure and change of matter. All the matter are made up of chemistry. In our everyday life, various chemicals are being used in various forms. Some of those are being used as food, some of those used changing etc. Other industries and transport, food security and agriculture, science and technology, cooking, cleaning, medicine, environmental issue, polymers, building materials, etc. are some usage of chemistry. Next is branches of chemistry. So dear friends, there are 5 main branches of chemistry. First is organic chemistry, second is inorganic chemistry, third is analytical chemistry, 4 is physical chemistry and last 5 is biochemistry. First, organic chemistry. Organic chemistry is the study of compounds that contains the element carbon and hydrogen. Or organic chemistry involves the study of the structure, properties and preparation of chemical compound that consist primarily of carbon and hydrogen. Examples of organic compounds like petroleum, almost all medicine and food. So dear friends, see the figure. Organic means known as carbon chemistry, food chemistry, fossil fuels. Organic chemistry overlaps with many areas including medicine chemistry. Medicine chemistry is the design, development and synthesis of medicinal drugs. It overlaps with pharmacology, the study of drug action. Organometallic chemistry, the study of chemical compound containing bonds between carbon and a metal, is organometallic chemistry. Polymer chemistry, the study of the chemistry of polymers, is called polymer chemistry. Next, dear friends, physical organic chemistry means the study of the interrelationship between structure and reactivity in the organic molecule. It's called physical organic chemistry. Stereochemistry, the study of the special arrangement of atoms in molecule and their effects on the chemical and physical properties of substance, is called stereochemistry. Second branch of chemistry, inorganic chemistry. Dear friends, the study of compounds that are made of only one or no carbon elements. It overlaps all chemical compounds except organic compounds. It's called inorganic chemistry. Dear friends, inorganic chemistry study things such as crystal structure, minerals, metals, catalysts and most elements in the periodic table. Dear friends, see the figure. Inorganic means involve all elements, metal, materials chemistry, chemicals reaction. Branches of inorganic chemistry include First is bioinorganic chemistry. Bioinorganic chemistry, the study of the interaction of metals ion with living tissue, mainly through their direct effect on enzyme activity. Geochemistry, the study of the chemical composition and changes in rocks, minerals and atmospheres of the earth or a celestial body is called geochemistry. In nuclear chemistry, the study of radioactive substance. Organometallic chemistry, the study of chemical compound containing bond between carbon and metal. Solid state chemistry, the study of synthesis, structure and properties of solid material. Dear friends, organometallic chemistry is not in the branch of inorganic chemistry. Next, analytical chemistry. It is the study of the separation, identification and qualification of the chemical component of natural and artificial materials. It has qualitative analysis which is more on the physical properties, and identity and quantitative analysis, the measurement and amount of a certain substances, is analytical chemistry. Analytical chemistry involves the quantitative and qualitative determination of the chemical components of substances. Analytical means identifies, evaluates, compress, uses instrument to find answer, basis of chemical research. Examples of areas using analytical chemistry include forensic chemistry, the application of chemical principle, techniques and method to investigation of crimes. Environmental chemistry, the study of the chemical and biochemical phenomena that occur in the environment. It relies heavily on analytical chemistry and includes atmospheric, aquatic and soil chemistry. Bioanalytical chemistry, the examination of biology materials such as blood, urine, hair, saliva and sweat to detect the presence of specific drugs, is bioanalytical chemistry. Next branch of chemistry, physical chemistry. Physical chemistry means chemistry that relies on a lot of physics and math to study the changes in energy that happen to matter, is physical chemistry. The study of the shape of non-living matter and how that affect matter at the visual scales. Physical chemistry, chemists typically study the role of a chemical reaction, the interaction of molecules with radiation and the calculation of structure and properties. Physical means involves matter and energy, heating or freezing of material, and exothermic, endothermic, nuclear chemistry. Sub branches of physical chemistry include photochemistry, the study of the chemical changes caused by light. Surface chemistry, the study of chemical reaction or surface of substances. It includes topic light, adsorption, heterogeneous catalyst, formation of colloids, corrosion, electrode process and chromatography. Chemical kinetics, the study of the rates of chemical reactions and factor affecting those rates and the mechanism by which the reaction proceeds. Physical chemistry, quantum chemistry, the mathematical description of the motion and interaction of substance, subatomic particles. It incorporates quantization of energy where particles, duality and uncertainty principle and their relationship to chemical process. Spectroscopy, the use of the absorption, emission or scattering of electromagnetic radiation by matter to study the matter or the chemical process it undergoes, is called spectroscopy. Biochemistry. Dear friends, biochemistry is the study of the chemistry in biological process of all living organisms. There is an evident overlapping of different branches of chemistry, but they are all observed in the system of living things. Biochemical research include cancer and stem cell biology, infectious disease and cell membrane and structural biology. See the figure. Biochemistry, living chemistry, environmental, proteins, amino acid, DNA, food, medical research. It spans molecular biology, genetics, biochemical, pharmacology, clinical biochemistry, and agriculture biochemistry. Sub branches of biochemistry is molecular biochemistry, molecular biology, the study of the interaction between the various systems of cell, such as different type of DNA, RNA, and proteins. Biosynthesis is molecular biology. Genetics, the study of genes, heredity, and variation in living organism is called genetics. Pharmacology, the study of medicine, of drug action and the influence of drugs on the organism in pharmacology. Next is toxicology, a sub-branch of pharmacology that studies the effect of poisons on living organisms in toxicology. Clinical biochemistry, the study of the changes that disease causes in the chemical composition and biochemical process of the body. Agricultural biochemistry, the study of the chemistry that occurs in plant, animals, and microorganisms. Dear friends, last point is sub branches of chemistry. First is nuclear chemistry. It is the study of radioactive element, nuclear process, and nuclear properties. Radioactive decay. Radioactive decay is the process by which an unstable atomic nucleus loses energy by emitting ionization particles or radiations. Material chemistry. It is the preparation, characterization, and understanding the substance with a useful function. This is more of application and chemistry in different sides, engineering and industry. Is materials chemistry. So dear friend, you know that chemistry is important because everything you do is chemistry. Even our body is made of chemicals. Chemical reaction occur when you breathe, eat, or just sit there reading. All matter is made up of chemicals, so the importance of chemistry is that it's the study of everything. Dear friends, I hope that you have understand chemistry. If you like this video, please subscribe my channel.